Hey, Zoran here, Product Manager at Voiceflow, here to give you a tour of the Voiceflow platform so that as soon as you get access, you can actually start contributing and get value out of the tool immediately. So in today's video, I'm going to be focusing on 3 core collaboration features. Now, this is assuming that you're going to be invited to a workspace where others have already started building assistants, and you want to just jump on the canvas, get as much context as possible, and figure out how does all of this apply and affect your workflow that you could potentially automate and streamline today. So to get started, let's go ahead and jump into the app itself. Now on the screen here, you can see the Voiceflow canvas. I have an assistant already created that we're going to be reviewing. This one is called Voiceflow Banking. Now, as someone who is new to the platform, I'm not really going to worry about how to build an assistant, what are the different block types, but I just want to understand and get as much context as possible in terms of what has already been built. So to do that, the first step and the first feature that I'll be talking about is the prototype tool. Now, the prototype tool can be opened either by selecting the Run button in the top right-hand corner or with the shortcut R. Let's go ahead and run the test. So you can see here in the right-hand panel, I've started the conversation with the assistant. I can throw in a user prompt, and then it will continue the conversation with me. This is the best and most immediate way to understand what's going on. There are a lot of other bells and whistles related to transcripts that you can also look at, but just to get an understanding of what has been built without understanding all the components of Voiceflow, this is the most immediate and best way. Now, the next thing that you might want to do is actually search for different components. So say that you have a good idea about how this assistant works because it's very similar to the one you have in production today. You want to find elements that you're comfortable with and that you know exist. So let's go ahead and look at our search functionality. Select Command K on a Mac and the search bar will pop up where you can start typing in different words related to different elements in the design itself, whether that's intents or block names or response content. All of this will be available to you. So I want to go and search for an intent that I know is a part of this project called transfer money. So I'm just going to start typing in here, and you can see the first one that's available to me is transfer_money with the intent icon. Let's go ahead and select that. Great. And you can see here that here is my intent. Here are all the utterances with the required entities. Now you understand, one, how that intent is built. And now let's go ahead and see where it's getting used. So I'm going to start typing transfer money in again. And I can see here available to me is one of the icons related to blocks. Let's go ahead and select that. The transfer money intent is right here and it's connected into these steps. So now not only do I see how the intent for transfer money is getting built and designed, but I also get to see where in the conversation it's getting used. Perfect. The final feature that I just want to showcase on this video today is commenting. So a really core part of the collaboration workflow is that you can talk to your peers directly on the canvas where you're designing your assistant. So to get access to the commenting feature, you can either select the comment icon up in the top header panel, or you can select the shortcut C. Now in the right-hand panel here, you can see there are already some threads that have been going on, all by me. And I've also been tagging Sam Burns in those comments, which will notify him by email that there is a comment waiting within this assistant for him to answer. So let's go ahead and create a new comment quickly. I'm going to navigate over to these buttons that are available here. And then I'm going to create a comment and say, Sam, let's add a 4th button for contact us. Select post, and there you can see that I have created the comment. It's available in my threads to the right hand side, and that's going to now notify Sam to come in and respond to my comment, or he can go ahead and make the adjustment to the design itself. Now, when developers are jumping into the platform and collaborating with their peers, it's really important that as part of that process, you do have the ability to have contextual conversations around the experience. So just to wrap it up, in terms of the 3 features that we covered today, we covered the prototype feature, the search functionality, and the commenting feature. Those 3 features will get you a long way and get you some immediate payback as soon as you jump on the Voiceflow canvas, collaborating with your peers, collaborating with your colleagues, and getting to understand how the Voiceflow platform can fit within your conversational AI workflow today. Thank you.